Hello, my name is Dory O'Neill, and I've been inundated with calls, texts, emails, messages over the last 6, 8 weeks about having a video that breaks down my $5,000 bonus that I'm giving to you if you enroll either through me or a member of my team. This is a comprehensive YouTube viral video funnel that's been professionally designed by Mike Filsaime. Yes, Mike Filsaime has actually had his input into this funnel, and this funnel has been tested to convert. And so I'm going to break down every element of this video. So let's get started. Let's start with the homepage. This is no ordinary homepage. This page has been created by none other than Mike Filsaime. Yes, Mike Filsaime of Groove Pages fame. If you don't know who he is, Google Groove Pages. So each element of this page has been personally created and personally tested by the Groove Agency team, and this page converts. It converts at a 90% level. Every element is placed onto this page specifically for the purpose of getting somebody to complete this enrollment form. From the headlines to the offer to each of the wording, the breakdown of each of these sections down here, it's been created to convert, and it converts at an incredibly high rate of 90%. That means when you send traffic to this page, 9 out of 10 people, targeted traffic that you send to this page, will actually enroll. And that's when the magic really starts to happen. So next, we're going to look at the thank you page. So as soon as your new prospect enrolls, they're taken to your success page. And here's where the magic really starts to happen. Not only have we created these professional videos for you, and they're included in your 10-part YouTube viral funnel, these videos are specifically designed to educate your new prospect onto the features and benefits of the Master Affiliate Profits system. And below each video is a Join Map button. When they click Join Map, they'll actually be led to your affiliate link for Master Affiliate Profits. And so it starts right with the success page. But behind this, they're receiving a series of emails that we've pre-written for you that actually enhances this process, strengthens this process, and actually makes it more probable that they will enroll with you as a member of Master Affiliate Profits. So they've gone through the success page, and in the background, our programmed email system has immediately sent them their day one training. This is all done for you. You're not doing any of this work. We've created all of this for you, all of these videos for you. So let's watch this video, because this video actually increases the number or the percentage of people that upgrade to platinum. It breaks down the advantages, and it shares with the viewer that they must be a platinum member to get the full benefits, and it mitigates the risk of the $97 a month investment. This actually showcases all of the benefits of the platform, and it breaks it down in such a concise way that on the very first day, they're encouraged to join MAP, and here it is again, your affiliate link. And it talks about the done-for-you traffic that they get. It talks about the fact that you only need 2 platinum members, And remember, you're getting giveaway rights to this funnel. So imagine you have this funnel working for you, somebody joins, and we actually put together this funnel for your team member. And if you're a platinum member, you're gaining tier 2 commissions of 25%. It's absolutely amazing. And then this section here talks about the automated follow-up system to market other products, and we teach and train you how to do that. This is all built in. You don't have to do the heavy lifting. We've done it for you. Each of these videos is valued in the thousands of dollars, and there's more than 12 of them in this YouTube viral funnel that we're giving to you for free. So this is just day 1. We've got 9 more days to go. So I jumped ahead to day 6 of the training. And this is so exciting for me to share with you. By this time, 90% of the people that had filled out their information and gained access to your YouTube viral funnel have already joined your Master Affiliate Profits business. But what this video does and what the following videos do is it educates them on all of the features and benefits of the Master Affiliate Profits platform that they've already enrolled into with you through your affiliate link. And so not only are you able to give away this as a lead magnet to bring people into Master Affiliate Profits, and not only are they able to give away this to bring in people to Master Affiliate Profits, it's actually making them more productive from day 1 because they're learning the features and benefits of the platform through these demo videos. And that's a game changer. This funnel, I say it's a $5,000 bonus, but I can tell you that there's more than $30,000 of development costs that have been put into this, and I'm not even counting the hours that have been put into programming, to writing the email sequences, etc., etc., etc. So you're really in for a fun ride when you pick up this bonus. It really is a game changer. And because everything's done for you, that means that you're going to get access to tools that'll help you make money faster and easier with Master Affiliate Profits. So here we are. I skipped ahead to the bonus page. And this is the page when people complete the course and when they're going to have access to this 10-part YouTube viral funnel system as a member of your Master Affiliate Profits team. And you can see here this button that says, show me how to go viral. Well, you're going to get access to that as well. And if you want to, you can actually deploy this platform and I teach you how to make it go viral. And that's an extra element that we really don't talk about in some of the other videos. But let me go to show you this. One of the things that people don't understand about my Master Affiliate Profits review team is that we are a team. I have full-time employees that are dedicated to actually helping you make this a success. I have Jody Moore, who's worked with me for more than 20 years. She was one of my general managers, and she's running the whole operation behind the scenes. Our sole mission is about helping you make money. We've selected Master Affiliate Profits because we believe in the genius of John Thornhill and Omar Martin. But let's say you come here and you say, I'm even so new that I can't set this thing up. I can't, do the basic things that you need to actually create this. Well, we've even done a done for you service, which is totally optional, and we'll set the whole thing up for you, including an amazing AI traffic system that absolutely converts and it's only $99.97. That's completely optional. But if you want everything done, your email set up, it imported in, your ad campaign set up, and everything done for you, we will even offer that service to you. And we have full-time people that are just waiting for you to select our service. So if you're looking to join a team in Master Affiliate Profits, do you want some part-time person that's just flogging the platform and not providing the extra service? Or do you want to join a team like mine where you're not only going to get access to this 10-part YouTube viral funnel, but you're going to get access to myself? We do regular weekly webinars teaching and training you how to make the most out of it. We offer you secondary revenue streams that are built in, that are done for you, that are tied right into the MAP platform, that are designed so that when you drive traffic to the front end of MAP, you're automatically driving traffic to the secondary products that we recommend you market. And of course, you're free to market your own products if you have your own products, but we offer an absolute done for you service that is designed to make money. And so you ask, why are we doing this? We're doing this because all of our members, the majority of our members, not all, are platinum members, and they make their money through tier 2 commissions. So the only reason that you wouldn't be eligible for our bonuses is if you decide to upgrade to VIP within Master Affiliate Profits. If you join their VIP program, we exclude you from all these bonuses. And the reason we do that is it cuts out all of our members from tier 2 commissions. So when you join Master Affiliate Profits and you see the VIP invitation, I'd just ignore it, because if you do join that, you're foregoing all of these bonuses. And I personally believe that our bonuses will make you 10 times more money than you'll ever get by becoming a VIP and spending more than $5,000 extra for services that you don't really need or use, because we're offering all of that and much more for absolutely free. So my name's Dory O'Neill. I hope this has been valuable to you, and we'll see you on the success side of Master Affiliate Profits. I look forward to meeting all of you on live sessions, calls, and we're here for your success. Goodbye.